Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The weather looks very nice, but it's snowy and cold, but it looks so good. I love it. I just wanted to tell you something. I will show you some solutions that I have found for a technical problem. Please watch the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support very much. See you, bye. Thank you guys for watching the video. If the solution was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel, and you can comment down below as well. It will help me a lot. See you again later. Bye.